A very warm good morning, my dear students. Welcome to this chemistry digital class. Hope so you are fine and taking due care of yourself. Going to start today's topic. Let's start is with positive mindset. As the screen is appearing on your mobile, that is, life is like a pencil. Every time it breaks and goes blunt, we have to sharpen it again and again. Life is like an eraser. You have to erase your mistakes by not doing it again. Now, just try to understand the meaning of this thought. The thought is giving us simple message like life is resembling. Let's resemble the life with the pencil. Like every time, whenever pencil is becoming blunt, we are going to sharpen it. In this way, you must do practice day to day and day and night. Because somewhere, if we will lose, if we will skip our practice, if we will not be regular in our practice of study, so slowly our that memory, our that information, our that question that we have learned, that is going to be we are going to start forgetting. It's similar like the pencil is going to be blunt and break. You need to sharpen it. Okay, you need to sharpen it. Similar way, you need to sharpen your brain by learning the same question again and again. As I told dear students, in organic reactions, there are so many organic reactions. So there is the best way to learn those organic reaction is daily. Just practice two or three reactions. As I told you also, make the day of reaction of the days. But you people are not in habit, so I'm telling you, it is going to be become very problematic in future. So take second example, that is life is like an eraser. Okay, whatever you did till today date, you forgot, you have not practiced, forget this. But don't repeat the mistakes same. Erase those mistakes and just start with the new day. So hope so with this thought you will going to start your the practice again from today, and I will not get any complaints from you. Okay, so let's start. Your cooperation will make it valuable, and I want your faces not like this. I want your face like this here. Wonderful. Okay, so let's start the presentation with the happy mode. Today I'm going to start our unit 14, that is biomolecule. Although this is also the unit that is related to our organic chemistry, because the 4 units, that is to unit 10, 11, 12, 13 we have finished, that is particular purely organic reaction. This is somewhere the unit that is related to biochemistry. It means that this chapter you have studied in biology also, and this chapter you are studying in chemistry also. Okay, so in plus 1 class you studied biomolecule in biology. Now biomolecule, it means that we are studying all those macromolecules, all those molecules, large molecules which is present in our body, which somewhere we need to see how it is reacting, what is its structure. So in chemistry we will going to study like this way. So let's start. Let's understand it with the movie. Dear students, here I just want to tell you, just relate to your study and learning with the movie. Before going to watch a movie, like you are going to impress with the preview strategy. Preview of the movie is releasing. After that, that movie is going to present full movie with all the ingredient of entertaining in the theater. You will enjoy that movie. When you will come out the theater, then obviously you will give the review of that movie. You will tell about that movie, the best part of that movie. Because of that, the movie is you like the most. Now similar way, if you will take learning before class, all the preparation, yeah, before this live class, before the digital video, all preparation should be there. You must know all the highlights of key topics that is present in this chapter. And after that, while the chapter is going on, suppose today is I'm going to tell you about previous strategy of this chapter, what we are going to study, and what things are there which we are going to study in detail in this chapter. Then in the classroom, when you will get the videos from tomorrow, then we will talk about the methods which is used to explain the topics. Then the third thing is there, when once whole chapter will finish, then after that you must know your response, your test score, your result, your feedback, the topics which you understood, with the topic which you doubt, all those things you need to discuss with your teacher, so that there should not be any hurdle in play in your success. Okay, so if you'll talk about biomolecule, let's relate it with the example. Okay, dear students, let me check you know about your family tree. We have studied it in from junior classes. So can you tell the name of your head of the family? Yes, obviously you know. that is your grandfather. Then what is your surname of the family? Obviously, you will say some of you are Sharma, some of you are Kapoor, some of you are Rana, some of you are Verma, and which is the origin of family? What mean from where the family is originated? Similar way, what are the children's and how many children are there? Who is your grandchildren and who is the how many grandchildren are there? Then what are the role of each member of family? Then how the family members relate to each other, and what is the location of family? All these things matter a lot. Similar way, now when you know the family tree, you are understanding the family tree. He's my uncle, he's my auntie, he's my brother, he's my sister. Similar way, understand the family tree of uh, the topic, the chapter, that is biomolecule. What is the name of chapter? Yes, biomolecule. What is the meaning of chapter name? That is bio plus molecule, that we will understand. Which is the origin of biomolecule, from where biomolecule originate, that we will study. What are the classification and how many types of biomolecule it is similar, like what are the children and how many children are there, not type, sorry. What are the subtype of children? It means that what are the grandchildren? What are the subtype of each type of classification? What are the function of each part of classification? How each topic are interrelated to each other? And what are the location of biomolecule? All these things when you study. Now our focus should be the instead of what how to teach, what to teach. So we will study in this chapter introduction, origin, history. Then we'll study the key terms. Then we'll study meaning of chapter, classification, interrelation with each other, function and application, and summary. Okay, then conclusion. So let's start. What are the things that is present in our kitchen? Dear student, what are the things that is present in your kitchen? Yes, obviously you will say there are some like sir plastic container, there are some food, there are some bread, there are butter, there are oil, there are masalas, there are you can say so many things that is present in the kitchen. Now my question is there, what are the basic things that prepare those things? Okay, first thing, then or simply if I'll ask you, what are the basic unit of body? Do you know the basic unit of body is cell? Okay, and do you know the systematic function of each part of the organ is within the cell? These things you studied in bio. Okay, there are DNA in cell, carbohydrate, lipid, plasma membrane, ribosome. If you will take it a little close, the cell wall, carbohydrate, starch, protein, macro or tubules, mitochondria, ribosome, protein, plasma membrane, lipid, carbohydrate, DNA. These are micro, that is these are the things that is present inside the cell. So somewhere these all questions are related to biomolecule. Okay, so if I'll tell you with the help of this picture, dear students, so biomolecule word comes from bio elements. Bio elements mean those elements which present in body, and biomolecules are those large molecules which is present inside the body. The compounds are combination of elements. There are two type of elements: organic elements, inorganic elements, and all those elements which are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are called biomolecules. Under organic I'm telling you, not inorganic. Okay, so there are basically if I will tell carbohydrate, if you will tell carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, lipids. So our in this particular chapter our focus is to understand basic classification of carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, and lipid, in which carbohydrate is further classified into monocarbohydrate, disaccharide, polysaccharide. The saccharide word is somewhere come from sugar. So monosaccharide is single sugar, disaccharide 2, polysaccharide has more than 2. Okay, so let's understand next. So this is the I can tell you biochemistry. In biochemistry we studied we I told you that we will study in this particular chapter carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, in which carbohydrate is made up of sugar. Okay, it is such as sugar, and sugar is starch, sugar and starch, sorry, and these are grazed by animal to get energy, that is cellulose. So somewhere carbohydrate basic unit is cellulose, glucose for animal, and lipid is it is called stored energy, which may be fat and oil, and these are from animals, so that is called saturated fat. From plants, that is unsaturated fat. If we will talk about the third things that we will study in detail in this chapter, that is protein. In protein, we will basic unit of protein is amino acid, and it is linked by peptide bond. It means that two amino acid is linked with the peptide bond. Okay, here it is linked with the 2 glucose is linked with the glycosidic linkage. 2 carbohydrate glucose is linked with glycosidic linkage. 2 amino acid is linked with the peptide bond. Then the last fourth is nucleic acid, which is a building block of the genetic code. Genetic code means RNA, DNA, okay, such as DNA and RNA. So nucleotides are the nucleic acid which is containing bases and and pentose sugar. Okay, so structure of DNA also we'll study. So biomolecule origin, if we will tell, we studied cell in our junior classes. Am I right? Yes, we studied cell in our junior classes, in which we studied that there are so many things that is present inside the cell. There are so many things which is present inside the cell. Just very attentively watch this diagram. This is a diagram of a cell, the cell and its organelles. But what is inside the cell? If you will see, there are supramolecule complexes, that is chromosomes. Inside the chromosome there is DNA, which is called macromolecule, and inside the macromolecule it is made up of monomeric unit. That is the I can say genetical code. Okay, genetical code: guanine, cytosine, thymine. And second thing, inside the nucleus there is chromosome. I told you that is called supramolecule. And label 2 is macromolecule, that is DNA. And label 1 is monomeric unit, that is the subunit of DNA. Then second thing, here is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is made up of protein, and protein is basically made up of amino acid. It means that the basic unit of protein is amino acid. Third is cell wall, that is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of sugar, that is starch. So carbohydrate basic unit is glucose, protein basic unit is amino acid, fats basic unit is fatty acid, and chromosome basic unit is monomeric genetical code. So this is, and if we will talk about meaning of biomolecule, dear students, so meaning of biomolecule. If I'll tell about meaning of biomolecule, so the basic meaning of biomolecule came from bio, from living organism. Molecule is combination of compounds, combination of elements. Okay, so what are biomolecule? These are the small organic molecules. These are the small organic molecules which bond together to form large organic molecule, which is called macromolecule or biomolecule. There are 4 classes of macromolecule: polysaccharide, which is carbohydrate; triglycerides, that is lipid; polypeptide, that is made proteins; and nucleic acid. Carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid. And in this particular chapter, dear students, we will focus on basic these 4 building blocks. 4 type of biomolecule. Okay, that is carbohydrate, which is monosaccharide, basic unit is monosaccharide; protein, basic unit is amino acid; basic unit of lipid is fatty acid and glycerol; basic unit of nucleic acid is nucleotide. So carbohydrate and lipids, these are made of only carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Whereas protein, this is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Nucleic acid, it is containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. So you can see carbohydrate is made up of 3 elements, protein made up of 4 elements, nucleic acid made up of 5 elements. These are the combination, and these are the basic meaning of biomolecule. If we will study a little bit more detail, biomolecule, what is biomolecule? Life on earth is based on carbon compound, that we call biomolecule. Once again, life on earth is based on carbon compounds that we studied in 10th also, that we call biomolecule. And biomolecule are also called macromolecule or giant molecule. They are giant because they are polymer made up of 100 and even 1000 of small molecule called monomer. 4 of the major kind of biomolecule are already we studied: carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid. So this is the basic introduction. Now I just want to recapitulate it. Like, as I told, family tree, grandfather is the function of grandfather is what? He is the overall coordinator of the family. He is the overall coordinator of family. Father is the operator of family. Mother she is the facilitator of family. Son, he is consumer of family facilities, and daughter is helping hand of mother. You know very well, dear students. So similar way, if I will tell biomolecule, the biomolecule also have some functions. For example, protein building block is amino acid, and its function is basically it will form basic structure and function of cell. It is forming basic structure and function of cell. Okay. Second, DNA, deoxyribonucleotide, is the building block. It is hereditary information. It pass hereditary information. RNA, ribonucleotide, it is for helping in protein synthesis. Polysaccharide, it is basically monosaccharide is the basic and its storage form of energy. Lipid, it is fatty acid and glycerol, which storage form of energy to meet long term of demand. So like in our family, these family member have some role, duties or function. Similar way, major complex of biomolecule of cell also have some important functions with the building block. So take screenshot, dear student, take screenshot of this take screenshot of this page, and this will help you to understand the biomolecule and its major function. So this is all about for today. Tomorrow we will study about the classification of biomolecule. This is called techniques used to teach innovatively with the help of play card, flowchart, maps, role playing. Here I am just taking the map minding. So with the help of map minding we will see biomolecule, the classification. Okay, this is upcoming topic. So that's it for today. Hope so you like this video, you like this presentation, and you understood what we are going to study. This chapter is very simple, but most complex thing is that the structure of glucose, okay, that we will study in our future classes. So thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, thanks a lot.